Yo, what's up? It's me again, Glenn. Yesterday I was living my life in Egypt. Enjoy lang. Ngayon, back to reality. Tambay dito sa gilid. So, highs and lows of life. Sometimes ganun talaga. May time na parang perfect. Mayroong time naman na parang worst. Pero in any situation, kung makakahanap ka ng reason para maging happy, you will always be in a win-win situation. Ngayon, na-hold ako sa init. I wanna tell kung bakit. May boarding pass na sana ako, sayang. Pero okay lang. Kuha na lang ulit akong bagong exit re-entry. Nice experience though. And hindi lahat ng nakikita sa social media is legit. Most of the time people post happy moments of their life, so hindi nyo alam kung kailan sila down. So ika nga, nakikita lang kung ano yung maganda, pero yung pangit na part ng life hindi na nila pinapakita. So it's me, tambay dito, waiting another flight kasi na hold nga. Yan lang, peace out.